Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the motion blur in CapCut to make your videos look aesthetic. So first, just add as many as photo to CapCut, and then set the duration of each photo to 0.2 seconds like this. Then export this video like this. So after it finishes exporting, you just need to open it in a new project. Okay, like this. Now find the motion blur. So click on the video and find motion blur, this one. So adjust the blur 25, blend 60, and the times twice. Okay, so after you set the motion blur like this, just click on the check icon and wait for it to processing. Check icon here. Okay, so now the motion blur has been applied to my photo, my edits, and the result will look like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.